वेलकम टू valsquicktips&tricks कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली साऊथ आनी भलायकीन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल गोवन. दिस इज Mankurad. Some says Malkurad, but this is Mankurad Goan mango. And I have taken like this 3 mangoes fully ripe and taken out the pulp of that. So this is the pulp. Then I need half glass or half cup of milk, 1 small ice cream, vanilla ice cream, then some few cashew nuts to make this Goan Mankurad Mastani, okay, with Goan mango. So let's mix this together and make this. So let's add this pulp, then milk, the milk is cold, then we'll add our cashew nuts. Now if you don't want sugar, then don't add sugar, but we are adding ice cream, so then add that ice cream. So this is like 40 rupees cup. And we add 2 teaspoon this is of sugar. And here it's ready to go in the glass. So now here is it ready. Thick Goan Mankurad mango Mastani, and then you can add whole this of ice cream on this. And serve it along with some cashew nuts. That's it. Enjoy your Goan mango Mankurad Mastani.
And here it is, ready, lovely and tasty Goan Mankurad mango Mastani with ice cream. Thank you.